it's time for a mindful movement moment with Miss Lori and Lenny the Porcupine at Love and Learning Lodge, where we show you 2 mindful moves that you can add into your day. The first one is a simple plank, where you start out on your hands and knees, hands firm on the ground, legs out, and you just hold the position like you're a board, straight and stiff as a board. Press your palms down, shoulders up, lengthen your spine. This is a great strengthening pose. The second one is, I'll show you the resource, All is Well. So it's a simple resting pose taken from our Pretzel Yoga cards. And as the children rest, you read some positive statements. They may or may not be old enough to understand the words of what you are saying, but they will absolutely understand the kindness and positivity that comes along with these statements. And that makes an impact in a child's day. So on this one, you just simply rest. If you have a place to put your feet up, that feels nice. And then you just say, may I be safe and loved. May I be happy and healthy. May I be kind and caring. May I know that all is well. And that is a great way to end your day. All right, now it is Lenny's turn. Lenny, let's do a plank. All right. Up on your hands, feet out. Very good. You make a very nice, fluffy plank. Great job, Lenny. And then we'll just take a big breath in and say, all is well. All is well. All right. Now it's your turn to give these a try. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and leave me some comments to let me know what else you would like to see, what other playlists or topics you would like to discuss. And so I know that I'm giving you more of what you need and what you love. Now it is your turn to stretch your body, stretch your body. Now you know just what to do. Rest your body, rest your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.